We're on the hunt! This is sustenance for the weak. This is a barren wasteland. I regret doing this. There is food up ahead. This is where all mammals get their food. You bitch! Make me some food! God damn it, I've been working hard all day long! I go on safari trips to support this family. No children, just me and her. But she doesn't care about me!
Climate change is a very serious issue. If we do not protect our climate, we will all die. This is the only Earth we have. We must protect it. If we do not, well, there will be no climate. If Al Gore won the election back when that hanging Chad incident happened, we wouldn't be talking about climate change. We would be enacting it at this very moment. Gore isn't just something that happens in a horror film. It is, or it was, what could have been the greatest damn environmental president we've ever had.